Transportation and infrastructure projects can be complicated. Communicating these projects using 3D visualization to the public and other stakeholders is important and often even required. But even visualizing these projects can be incredibly complex. Good visualization can be expensive and time-consuming. And if you want to do it yourself, most 3D visualization software is built for architecture projects. So what did we do? We took over a decade of experience in engineering and 3D visualization and one of the most powerful gaming engines available, and customized it to make 3D visualization possible for you, the one doing the 3D design and creating the CAD files. Beyond CAD is a software program now available for PC that is built on Unreal Engine and has the asset library and features to bring even the most complicated infrastructure projects to life. With Beyond CAD, you can import your 3D CAD files, texture them, add trees, buildings, traffic control devices, and even complex traffic and pedestrian movements. You can use the powerful visual graphics system and the built-in render engine to produce photorealistic image or video renders in hours instead of days or weeks. Visual experiences allow you or your client to walk or drive the project in real time. Our industry has needed a good 3D tool built specifically for infrastructure to make 3D visualization available for the engineers, designers, and project managers doing the actual design. With Beyond CAD, that tool is now here.